Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to install APKs from your PC on your OPPO Reno 15 5G smartphone. To do that, first we're going to have to download and install the OPPO Connect application on our PC, and then connect our OPPO to the computer, either using the cable connection or a wireless connection by scanning the QR code that you will see on your PC screen in the process. Now, if you want a step-by-step guide, we actually have one on our channel where we explain how to download, how to install, and how to connect your how to download and install the OPPO application on your PC, and then how to connect your smartphone basically in a couple of minutes. So if you need that guide, go ahead and check it out. And in this video, I will show you just how to basically transfer your APK files from your computer to your smartphone. And the first thing that we're gonna have to do once our devices are connected is select the files on the sidebar right here, and then go to APKs folder. Now on your computer, once you have the prepared APK downloaded, first of all, one important notice: always download your APKs from trusted sources. For example, the APK Mirror website with files that are verified is pretty much a trusted source. It's where I downloaded this APK file. So let's just grab this file and drag it to our folder. And as you can see, the transfer has just begun, and we can see the current progress of this transfer in the transfer history. It's gonna take a couple of seconds until this file is fully transferred to our OPPO, and once it is, we'll be able to see it in the OPPO share folder, which will also automatically open. And now, to install this application on our smartphone, we're just gonna have to tap on the APK file, and then of course allow our smartphone to download from this source, in this case of my files. So just tap settings, and then select, and then switch the cycle to the right, click install, and let your smartphone install the application. And if this application is compatible with your smartphone, everything will go smoothly, and the app will be installed, and you'll be able to open it on your smartphone and start using it. So that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.